Hey guys, I just want to show you what comes in the box of this old cedar easy rinse clean. You can see the whole unit looks assembled in one full unit, just a little bit of plastic on top. We'll take that full thing out of the box. It has this pole, and here it comes with it. You can see this one, it's different from the original old cedar easy rinse because it has the dual compartments there. There you go, just an up close look so you can see inside of there. And then inside the bucket so you can see how it rinses. And then it just sits right inside there. And here's the mop pad that it comes with. And then the attachment for the pole for the mop pad. That's it.